Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Kids magazines is probably one of the most exciting and educational gifts you can give to your child, offering a gateway to a world of knowledge, creativity, and endless fun delivered right to your doorstep every month. Imagine the delight on their face as they unbox a new adventure filled with stories, puzzles, crafts, and fascinating facts tailored specifically to their age and interests, fostering a lifelong love for reading and learning in a way that's both engaging and accessible. Number 5. Awesome engineering activities for kids. Ignite your child's passion for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. This book is packed with over 50 exciting STEAM projects. Watch as they design, build, and discover the wonders of engineering. Each project is designed to be engaging and educational. Get ready for hours of hands-on fun that fosters creativity and problem-solving skills. It's the perfect way to learn through play. Ideal for curious minds eager to explore how things work. They'll be building and experimenting in no time. Inspire the next generation of innovators with these awesome activities. It's more than just a book, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. What we like. This subscription is packed with over 50 hands-on STEAM projects. It encourages kids to design and build, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. If you have a child who loves to tinker and create, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. The magazine is packed with fun activities and educational content that keeps my child engaged for hours. I love that the magazine covers a wide range of topics, from science and nature to art and history, providing a well-rounded learning experience. The illustrations are vibrant and engaging, making the content even more appealing to young readers. Number 4. National Geographic Kids, Coolest Stuff on Earth. Get ready to dive into a world of amazing discoveries. We're about to explore the most incredible things our planet has to offer. From the strangest creatures to the most breathtaking landscapes, prepare to be amazed. This collection showcases the truly unique and fascinating aspects of our world. Join us on an exciting adventure that will ignite your curiosity. You'll learn about the most extraordinary phenomena and the wonders that make Earth so special. Discover what makes our planet so remarkable. We've gathered the most astonishing and captivating items for you to experience. This is your ticket to the most fascinating corners of the globe. Prepare for a visual feast of the weird, wild, and wonderful. What we like. Explore the weird, wild, and wonderful with amazing facts and stunning visuals. It's designed to spark curiosity and a love for learning about the world. If you're looking for a subscription that's both educational and incredibly fun, this is it. What people say. Packed with wild facts, sloths carry mini ecosystems in their fur, dogs can shake off a pound of water in seconds, and sand dunes even sing. Stunning photos, fun infographics, and bite-sized text make it easy to flip through and learn something new every time. It's like a portable Nat Geo adventure, educational, entertaining, and visually captivating. Great for curious minds aged 8 to 12. It's a large hardcover book with lots of pictures. Well constructed and held up in my suitcase over a 1,500-mile plane ride in checked luggage. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Almanac 2025. Get ready for an incredible journey of discovery. The National Geographic Kids Almanac 2025 is packed with amazing facts and fun activities. Dive into the wild and learn about fascinating creatures from every corner of the globe. You'll be amazed by what you find. Explore the wonders of science with exciting experiments and mind-blowing facts. It's a fun way to learn about the world around you. Embark on a virtual adventure to different countries and cultures. Discover new places and expand your horizons. Looking for entertainment? This almanac includes puzzles, quizzes, and creative projects to keep you engaged and learning. The National Geographic Kids Almanac 2025 is your ultimate guide to learning and fun. Grab your copy today and start exploring. What we like. This is the latest almanac, packed with up-to-date information and facts. It offers comprehensive content covering a wide range of topics. If you want a go-to resource for current and interesting facts for the year, this is an excellent option. What people say. The magazine is filled with engaging content that keeps children entertained and educated. Each issue features a variety of activities, stories, and puzzles that cater to different interests. The illustrations are vibrant and colorful, making the magazine visually appealing to young readers. Number 2. National Geographic Kids 5,000 Awesome Facts. Get ready to explore a universe of knowledge. This book is packed with amazing facts that will blow your mind. Discover incredible details about animals, science, history, and so much more. You'll never run out of fascinating things to learn. Designed for curious minds, it's the ultimate companion for anyone who loves to ask why and how. Each page is brought to life with vibrant images and engaging layouts. Learning has never looked so good. Keep boredom at bay with thousands of bite-sized pieces of information. It's a treasure trove of fun facts. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, this collection covers it all. It's an essential addition to any young reader's library. What we like? Dive into a collection of 5,000 awesome facts about everything imaginable. It's perfect for quick, engaging reads that broaden horizons. If your child enjoys learning bite-sized pieces of information on a huge variety of subjects, this is a must-have. What people say. It's big, has a glossy hardcover, about an inch thick and filled with colorful photos, and pages of info. My second grader, 7, is reading through and soaking up all the worldly facts. Each page is absolutely packed with relevant facts and pictures, and I am sure that she will be reading this on and off for the next 5 years at least. Number 1. Awesome science experiments for kids. Are you ready for some amazing scientific adventures? This book is packed with over 100 exciting STEM and STEAM projects designed just for kids. Get ready to explore and discover. Dive into the fascinating world of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Each project is a gateway to understanding how things work in a fun and engaging way. With more than 100 hands-on activities, there's endless fun to be had. You'll be building, experimenting, and learning with every turn of the page. It's not just about doing experiments, it's about understanding them. Discover the science behind each activity and satisfy your curiosity about the world around you. This is your ultimate guide to becoming a young innovator. Spark creativity and critical thinking with these awesome activities that make learning an adventure. Bring home the excitement of discovery. Grab your copy of this incredible resource and start your scientific journey today. What we like? Get over 100 fun STEM projects that actually explain the science behind them. It's a fantastic way to make learning exciting and understandable. If you're looking for a subscription that combines hands-on fun with genuine scientific understanding, this is the one. What people say. The magazine is filled with fun and educational content that keeps my child engaged for hours. My son loves the interactive activities and puzzles included in each issue. The variety of topics covered ensures there's always something new and exciting for my daughter to learn about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.